So here we made this beam, a mantle, I'm sorry. So we're gonna distress it a little bit, but it's made out of dark walnut wood. We try to make it seamless. Looks from the back side. Very good, solid wood. It's beautiful. So right now I'm just gonna sand it out, and then I'm gonna roughen it up a little bit to give it that distressed look. We're not gonna go for a whole lot of it. We're gonna go for a little bit, and then we're gonna stain it and leave it as that. We're not gonna clear finish it.